Today in this session, we are going to discuss about dice concept. These dice concepts are very much important for you if you are attending any placement test or any government exam all over the world. Okay, in most of the railway exams or bank exams, you will be having separate question regarding this. So I am going to give you simple tricks regarding this. Like one or two tricks are there. So I'm going to tell those tricks to you. So if you see this video till the end, you will be able to answer any question from this dice concept. Okay, so let's start our video. So before diving directly into questions, I have few concepts to discuss with you. I'll be discussing a few concepts. Like try to make a note of it, so it would be very useful for you at the end of the day. Okay, so there is a actually what is dice is a cube having different number on its faces. Okay, so for example, dice are like dice is a cube. I'm saying that dice is a simple cube that is having six figured faces. Okay, so simply this is a one kind of die. Okay, so I'm drawing like this. So this is one kind of die. So this cube or dice having six faces all over around itself. So what I'm able to say is my point is like so these dice having six faces. So do remember this, namely the numbers would be mostly everyone will be familiar with that, mostly like 1 2 3. Okay, 3 4 5 6. So these are the six faces we usually having in our dice. Okay, so basically what I'm trying to explain is like so this dice concept is non-verbal, is come under non-verbal reasoning. So you already know what is so basically we will be having a reasoning concept. Okay, so in this reasoning concept we usually having a verbal reasoning. Okay, verbal and non-verbal reasoning. Okay, so these are the two reasoning we usually having, but this dice concept will come under this non-verbal reasoning. So do remember this, it is very useful for you at times. Okay, so okay, let's moving forward to the next topic, that is okay, in this dice concept only you will be having two types of dice. So basically dice are classified into two types of dice. Okay, so I'm writing like this, dice are classified into two types of concepts. That is, it is very important for your examination. So most of the questions are come under from these two types only. Namely, there will be standard dice will be there, standard dice will be there, or non-standard dice will be there. Okay, standard dice or non-standard dice. So let's learn what is standard or non-standard dice mean. Okay, so I'm explaining here itself, so please observe it carefully. Okay, okay, so first we'll see what is standard dice mean. Okay, for example, let's take a die like this. So for example, if you have it having a die like this. Okay, so this is one kind, like I'm drawing the upper face, upper part. Okay, so basically if you having numbers for this dice like this, 1 2 3. So what is standard dice mean? So in standard dice, sum of opposite faces always 7. So sum of opposite, so one, there is definitely one thing is there to the opposite of 1, that is 6. So the opposite of 2 is like 5. The opposite of 3 is going to be 4. So why I'm like having like this directly? So in standard dice there is a concept called sum of opposite faces is always 7. Okay, so this is the major concept actually. So if you add 1 plus 6 is 7, so this summation would be 7. So 5 plus 2 7, 4 plus 3 7. So this is the concept in standard dice, sum of opposite faces is always 7. So do remember this. Okay, and one more point that comes under this standard dice, that is like only one figure is there in standard dice. So you like in exam you can clearly identify this question. So in standard dice there is only one figure. So if you are getting one figure in the examination regard in the dice concept, that is come under standard dice. So what I told in the standard dice is very simple point, sum of opposite faces, like this 1 plus 6 is equal to 7, summation would be 7. So that is the major concept of the standard dice. So when it comes to non-standard dice, so what exactly this non-standard dice is means. So see, I'm also like drawing like this upper part of the die. So I'm taking three numbers, namely, take like this: 1, 6, 2. Okay. So the major concept of non-standard die is nothing but sum of adjacent faces is equal to 7. So previously in standard dice we seen that sum of opposite faces is equal to 7, but in non-standard dice sum of adjacent sides in the sense this. Okay, so adjacent sides in the sense this 1 and 6 is going to be 7. So sum of adjacent sides is going to be 7. So that is the non-standardized. Like in non-standardized, we can draw n number of figures. Okay, like this, n number of examples. But in the standardized, we only having one figure. Okay, so see, this is the adjacent sides, and its summation is equal to 7. So this is the major concept of non-standardized. Okay, so in some of the questions, they will be giving like so many diagrams, but all the diagrams are the probabilities that the dice showing from different faces. Okay, but in non-standard dice there are two or more so I said that in standard dice there will be only one figure. Okay, but in standard dice there will be or more two or more, but not more than four. It's more than 2, it's 2 or more than, but not more than 4. So that is the concept of non-standard dice. I hope you got some clarity of this dice concept. So namely I explained like what is dice and standard dice or non-standard dice. I explained you. So let's moving forward to the questions that usually getting in our examinations. So how to deal, I will be telling you super tricks. Okay, so see couple of questions, you will be getting some idea and all. So how to answer these questions by yourself. Okay, so I am reading question for you. They're asking like two positions of a dice are shown below. Okay, which number will appear on the face opposite to the face with the number 5? So they're saying that there are two figures. Like we need to find what is the thing that is coming opposite to the this 5. Okay, okay, so we need to think that what is the opposite to the 5. So if you're having these kind of diagrams, so I'm telling you super trick. Okay, so see, so this is the like what are the common things that is in the both the diagrams? That is 3. Okay, so take this 3 and take this 3 and make it as clockwise. So clockwise in the sense this. Okay, take the numbers clockwise and write down here 3, 5, 1, and this figure 3, 6, 2. So what I'm trying to explain you, like after taking 3, the common number from the both the diagrams, write it down in clockwise direction. First figure we write in 3, 5, 1, next 3, 6, 2. So this like neglect this one, and 5 is like number 5. 6 is the opposite of 5, 1 is the opposite of 2. Okay, so what number left out? 4. So that is the answer. Okay, so 4. So but they are asking in the question is like which number will appear on the face opposite to the face with the number 5? So what is the opposite number of 5? 6. So simply you will tick the answer C, that is 6. So it is very easy, right? So first I taken in these two diagrams common number, and with that I taken clockwise direction. So 3, 5, 1, 3, 6, 2, and what is the number that is opposite to 5? It is 6. It's very clear. So try to utilize this trick and try to solve as many questions as you want. So I'm taking one more example for your convenience. So they're asking which digit will appear on the face opposite to the face with number 4. So they're asking what number will come that opposite to the 4. So in this also 3 is the common number in the both the diagrams. So take the 3. So take the 3 in the both the diagrams. So go clockwise direction, not anti-clockwise, clockwise. Clockwise means like, no, clockwise means like this, reverse, like this. Okay, so first this diagram, so clockwise means like this. So first I'm writing 3 1 2, next 3 5 6. So this is the clockwise direction. So again, what we left out, it is 4. Okay, so they're asking which digit will appear on the face opposite to the face with number 4. So 4 opposite is 3, so the answer is going to be 3. So it's as simple as that. If they are asking what number will come opposite to that of 6, we can easily tell that is 2. Okay, if it is opposite of 5, it is 1, like that. It's very easy. So see this question, it's like it is in the ABCD, not like 1 and 2. So it is also very easy one. This is also come under non-standardized concept, but it is very easy to tackle. Okay, so if you're having these much figures, let's consider two on this. Okay, I'm considering figure 1 and figure 2. Okay, so in this a is common, so I'm taking a is a common, so go clockwise direction. So ABF, so ABF, next is AEC, next AEC. So they're asking from these positions of a cube, which letter will come on the face opposite to face with A. So which letter is left out in A, B, C, D, F? D is left out. So D will come here. Okay, answer is going to be D. So answer is going to be D. So opposite of A is D. So this is the simple solution. So so I'm giving this is your homework. Okay, so I explained you 3 questions. So you can comment this like answer in the comment section, like what exactly the answer is going to be this. So yeah, let's move forward to like what I explained till now is like, so I explained, I taken this dice concept. So I'm saying that there is 6 faces for this dice, so namely 1 to 6. So in reasoning there will be verbal reasoning, non-verbal reasoning. This dice concept will come under this non-verbal reasoning. So there will be standard dice. In dice there are two types of dice, standard dice and non-standard dice. Standard dice is nothing but, so if we taking top face of the dice, so namely 1 2 3, the summation must be, so sum of opposite faces is always 7 in standard dice. Sum of opposite faces always equal to 7. Okay, opposite faces. When it comes to non-standard dice, sum of adjacent sides is always 7. Okay, but in standard dice there will be only one figure, but in non-standard dice we can draw n number of figures. In sometimes the question they will be giving n number of diagrams, only single dice from different positions they will be giving you. Okay, okay, so there will be two or more but less than 4 diagrams will be there for non-standard dice. Okay, sometimes they will be giving from different positions more than 4. That is another point. So I have discussed few questions with you. I hope you got this. Okay, few questions with you like this. So I given you one homework, that is what, so this is very easy one. So comment your answer in the section below. The question is like, I'm reading for you, two positions of a cube with its surfaces numbered are below. Okay, when the surface 4 touch the bottom, what surface will be on the top? So they simply asking what is the opposite of 4. So you can here is like a common number is 1. Take clockwise and find the solution and comment your answer in the below comment section. So I hope you got some clarity of this very difficult feeling of this dice concept. So I hope I explained in a good manner. So if you like this session, give a like, share, comment and subscribe to our Maths Logic Skater channel, and do share this presentation to your friends and colleagues who are preparing for competitive exams and all. Okay, thank you for visiting this video. Thanks.